Masensong hapon mga kasensog. Welcome back sa atong first ever Mayor sa Kasensog Barangay Kapukaron. Welcome no sab kamo nga mo tanaw mo cheer sa atong second game which will be played by Barangay Dumagok versus Barangay Lumbia. Og mga kasensonayo kamo kalimot nga mo like, mo follow, mo share sa atong Facebook page, Asenso Sports Channel ag sa atong YouTube account, Asenso Sports Channel Official. Ag asap kamo kalimot nga personal nga mo bisita diri sa atong Pagaden City Gym para personal ka mo makatanaw ug maka-cheer sa ato ang mga games mga kasenso no. Relax, stay tuned and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Marchan Carpentero. Padayon pag-asenso, pagadian.
Wala, tingog wala. Ah, wala lagi. Live, mga ka-Asenso. Mayong Domingo kaninyong tanan. It's our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup. It's between Barangay Lumbia versus Barangay Dumagok Urban Division Games. I think this is the last game para sa Dumagok, and then second to the last game para sa it's not second to the last para sa Barangay third, I think. No, para sa Barangay Lumbia. Isa to, maghina ito. Tormis, napatawa na lang si Agonia sa atake ni Tormis sa ilalim. And now sa ludsod, driving towards the basket, he's fouled.
Number 9, wow. First foul. First three foul.
Baho, outside, number 8, bakante for 3. Pasok ang 3-pointer ni Anchola for Barangay Dumagok as they lead by 2 points. Agonia naman sa ilalim. 10-second shot clock sa lutsod. Bumawi ng 3 ang Ding Dong Dantes ng Barangay Lumbia. Orvel sa lutsod. Baho in the lane. Tormis turns a spin move, can't get it to go. Agonia catches it. Aba, tumira ng 3. Bang! Agonia rarely seen that move from downtown. Araya steps back. One-hander, no good. Luna with the rebound. Rare move there by, stolen by Anchola. Over. Number 9 of Barangay Dumagok, Baho. 9-11. Joyce? Wala man. Wala man. Wala. Kasi nag-chat si Joyce? Wala. Oh, big shout out kay Jeza Quiliario. Watching from Cagayan de Oro City. Mana? Walay tingog diha. Ala, walay tingog. Wapo ko ni tingog. Naman. Mana? Shout out kay Jeza Quiliario from Cagayan de Oro City. Okay, siya po na shout out kay Sir Gab Ibina. Keep safe, Dula. Go, go, go. Takuloy. Cubs. Isa man eh. Cubs Barmsman. Guyat ka. Isa man eh. Sudan nga lanay. 11-15. Lumbia up by 4. Baho. Basket and a foul for the drive.
Foul number 7. Charlotte first personal foul. First 3 foul. Lombia.
Andale. Labas. Sa ludsod. Medyo nahirapan sa ilalim and his foul. And Tormis nails to score for Barangay Dumagok. Andale. Caberio to Agonia. Hesitation, pull up jumper. Smooth move by Agonia. Baho to Batulan. Fakes, drives, stolen by Andale. Now to Caberio. Behind the back pass kay Andale. Unable to catch that pass. Turnover. Agonia, bounce pass inside, Andale, fakes, lumabas pa. Tumira ng 3, Mintes, too strong, Tormis with the rebound. Now Baho, pull up jumper in the middle. Tormis with the rebound, nice fake. And yes sir, huli si Saludsod sa fake. And a timeout called by Barangay Lumbia.
He's supposed to Bill Berkeley.
Andale for 3. Mintes na naman. 18-19, 1-point lead Barangay Lumbia. Corner 3, Anchola nails it for Barangay Dumagok. Shut out, naglantaw ko sa dula karon from Caloocan City. Ronald Santiago, okay. Uy, nanaday ka sa Caloocan? Kalayo ba ni mo na-assignan? Sige, shout out ni mo Ronald Santiago. Asa na ka karon? Sargento na? Baho, lays it up again! Nipsey, good luck Dumagok. Nestle Bandigan, good luck. Rusty Araya, MVP ng Zamboanga. Go for the win from Nestle Bandigan. Ronald Santiago, uy, shout out ni mo ha. Kanana di ka Caloocan ha. Maghinay, crossover. Up and under, he's fouled.
Foul number 12, Doris. First foul, third foul. Dumagok.
Saludsod nails it as the game clock expires for the first quarter. Long 3 and hits it. And big shout out also kay Boss Inso na sa Mr. Burger. Salamat sa imong pa-burger karon. And this timeout is brought to us by Mr. Burger, ang Daddy Burger ng bayan. And back to our ball game, second quarter. Corner 3 by Anchola. Another miss, turn miss. Spin move up and under the basket. Aninyon. Spin move, number 14. Di ba kalusot? Aninyon on the drive. Jumper miss. Tapi ka ng bola, Tormis wins it, lost from his hands. Maghinay is there, umararo sa ilalim, and he is fouled.
Foul number 12, Doris. Second personal foul. First three foul. Dumagok.
Maghinay second throw, and it's good.
Substitution. Number 11, Bola, or number 12, Doris.
Baho against Andale. Offensive foul. Legal screen committed by number 11 of Barangay Dumagok.
Number 11, offensive foul.
Tied at 25
First foul.
in the second quarter. Aninyon to Maghinay. Hesi, corner pass, number 13, 4-3. In and out. Tinapik ang bola para kay Baho. 3 against 3. Baho in the lane. Baho against heavy traffic. Baho. Corner pass. Corner 3. Anchola. Mintes this time. Maghinay wins that rebound. Grabe ang lakas ni Maghinay. Pass break pass para kay Aninyon. Baho. Inside. Batulan. Sa ilalim. Labas kay Anchola. Drives. Jumper. Mid-range miss.
Foul number 40. First personal foul. First team foul.
Anchola steps back. Pull up jumper. Can't get it to go. Aninyon with the rebound. Speeding up. Nice pass para kay Maghinay. Spin move. Yes, sir! Baho now with the ball. To number 20. Wing 3. Mintes. 13 with the rebound. Pinsan ni number 13 sa Lumbia. Pass intercepted by Araya. Baho. Corner pass. Anchola. Mintes na naman. Maghinay behind the back pass para kay Andale. Andale cross court to Aninyon. Open 3. Mintes. Rebounded by Texon. Texon on the... And number 14, another miss. Pangalawang Mintes ng Barangay Lumbia sa ilalim. Araya. And easy layup.
Araya.
Baho. Against Andale. Fakes. Drives. Lays it up. 31-29. Lamang na ngayon ang Barangay. Naman. Mana? Shout out di ay kay Jeza Quiliario. Watching from Cagayan de Oro City. Maayong hapon, ma'am. And now Baho taking their time inside. Heavy traffic. Araya almost missed that pass. Batulan, corner 3. As the shot clock expires, Texon with the rebound. Now over Maghinay. Floater miss. Araya now with the rebound. Now to number 18. Batulan di ay to Araya. Araya is fouled.
White, Lumbia. Number 30 takes the first personal foul. Second team foul. Lumbia.
(32-29). Dumagok pa rin ang lamang. Uy, isa ram na bench nila sa Dumagok. Outnumbered ang dumagok for Barangay Lumbia. Andale. To Agonia sa ilalim. Ganda ng depensa, oh. 4 ang nagbabantay. Over Aninyon. Corner. Corner na hinoon. Hindi ta ka-concentrate lagi. Kaya napatay. Multitasking mga gudaan eh. Anchola. Balik kay Baho. Outside Araya. Ball strip from his hands by Aninyon. Ganda ng depensa ni Aninyon. Timing na timing. Andale. Yes, sir!
Andale.
Batulan. And now to Baho. Araya, one-hander. Bouncing off the rim, no good. Ooh, Batulan, what a dangerous move. Andali ulit, umatake, and he is fouled.
Foul number 20, Dora. First personal foul, second, team foul. Dora.
Entering to zone violation. Baho for 3. Yes, sir! At naipasok. Oh, naipasok naman hinoon. Naipasok ni Baho ang tira. Paglain mapaminahon. Ay na lang. Andale. Bumawi ng 3. Mintes. Anchola with the rebound. Baho. Spin move against Andale. Kitang-kita yun. And what a spin move there by Baho.
Foul number 20, Bandale. First personal foul, third team foul, Lokia.
And Baho nails his first throw. Pangalawang tira. Mintes, Saludsod with the rebound. Hesi. Saludsod attacks. Missed. Araya with the rebound. Now to Anchola. Steps. Fires from downtown. Bang! Anchola hits that 3-pointer from the wing. Para sa Barangay Dumagok. Oy, shout out Ace Gerald from Ace Gerald Tailoring.
Substitution number 11, Rob Holo for number 20, Bandale.
Spin move by Agonia, missing that layup. No foul is called. Now to Baho, fakes, another fake. Turns around, over Anchola, steps back for 3. Bang! Back-to-back 3-pointer by Anchola. Maghinay, ball strip from his hand, Saludsod. Mintes ang 3-pointer. Maghinay. Isang Mintes. And Caberio is fouled by Batulan. Again, no, shout out kay Ace Gerald from Ace Gerald Tailoring of Barangay Balintawak. Mga nindot kaya nga mga jersey, uniforms. From polo shirt to t-shirt, Ace Gerald. Napadyog ko'y bukoy handumanan, ani sa ilang pagsugod, baka tong silk screen pa ang kuan. Paagi sa ilang printing, then tahi-tahi pa to. Napakoy jersey ato, nabutag Cebu. O dinula. Anchola nakita sa ilalim. si Batulan. Good pass there by Anchola. Agonia driving. Umararo. Too strong. 11-point lead Barangay Dumagok in the first half.
These quarters brought to you by
What a run by Barangay Dumagok. Shout out kay Barangay Liniensa na naglantaw pod karon live. Sound check, Patrick.
Third quarter.
Third quarter mga ka-Asenso. Again, a shout out kay Giselle Kilario of Cagayan de Oro City. Yun. Mayang hapon ni mo diha, ma'am.
Foul number 12, Dormis. Third personal foul.
Shout out po di ko sa
First team foul.
Zeus Printing Shop nga gipanag-iyahan ni Boss Arcoy of Barangay Lumbia. Og sa KL Printing Shop panag-iyahan nilang Mr. and Mrs. Pasqua. And of course, sa Crossover Designs PH, nagipanag-iyahan sa pinakagwapo nga commentator, Kuyawa. Tormis, another spin move, heavy traffic, traveling violation called against Tormis. Medyo disadvantage si Tormis sa move na yon. Dalawang matatangkad na player. Agonia decided to attack. Ball stripped from his hands. Offensive foul. Extends his elbow. 44-34, 10-point lead, Barangay Dumagok. Baho. Nagtatago. Now to Araya against Agonia. Hesitation, turns around, over Baho, nabakante for 3. Mintes gets his own rebound. Pull-up jumper. No good. Tormis with the rebound inside. Ilalim fades away. Araya nails it. And there's a foul called. Ayun, may foul pero bola mapupunta sa Barangay Lumbia. Ronald Santiago na si Takuloy, mong migo diri sa Lumbia. Saludsod, ayun, out of bounds. Bola mananatili sa Barangay Lumbia. Takuloy to Andale. Guarded by Anchola, inside. Agonia, Umararo. Agonia, lumabas pa ang tira. Baho to Duran. Side step against Andale. Duran, what a play. Maghinay. Driving towards the basket. In and out. Mukhang minamalas ang Barangay Lumbia. Dalawang magkasunod na easy layup. Easy shot from under the basket. Nagmintis pa. Anchola. Miss. Tapikan ang bola. Duran. What a shot by Duran against heavy traffic. Go Takuloy. Gikan kang Ronald Santiago. Andale. Driving again. And finally nails it. Yun, sinigurado ni Andale na hindi na lumabas ang bola. Baho. Double cross. Against Maghinay. Hustled by Maghinay. And Maghinay is called for a foul.
Foul number 22. First foul.
Anchola fakes. Tormis to Araya. Nice cut! What a play by Dumagok. Teamwork na teamwork ang Barangay Dumagok despite being outnumbered. Isa lang ang bench nila ngayon. And Lumbia now is puzzled how to... And Agonia, what a nice move! Kato di yun to mapugnan nga lihok ni Agonia. And it was a clean drive. Nga lisod kay to pugnan. Baho. Hustled by Andale. Nice steal. Now to Saludsod. Maghinay against Antiola. Maghinay. Ball straight from his hands. Tumama sa paa. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Dumagok. And now Baho. Good screen by Tormis. Baho pull up jumper. Bang! Jumper on the lane.
Warning for picking a ball. Dora.
Takuloy to Andale. Decides to drive. Straight from his hands by Antiola. Saludsod. Nahirapan. And there's already a foul. Mukhang nahihirapan ang Barangay Lumbia sa larong to.
Foul number 9, Baho.
Medyo kulang pa sila sa teamwork.
First team foul.
Maghinay. Drives. Nakalusot. Yes, sir!
Maghina.
14-point lead. Barangay Dumagok. Baho. Ayun, umatake. Falls away. In and out. No foul is called sa bump ni Andale. Andale to Takuloy. Inside Agonia. Guarded by Araya. Stolen by Tormis. What a defense. Pass break to Antiola. And yes, sir.
Antiola.
Maghinay. Stops. To Saludsod for 3. Miss. Orange shirts wins that rebound. Baho. Nice pass kay Tormis. Stolen by Saludsod. Nagawa ng bola. Nabalik kay Tormis. Reverse layup is good. 58-40, 18-point lead. Maghinay is fouled. Ayun, kita you can blocking foul good. Batulan will check in for Dumagok. And Caberio also for Barangay Lumbia. Maghinay from the para sa inbound play. Now to Caberio. To Maghinay. Tumira ng 3. Yes, sir! Maghinay finally drains it from downtown. Baho. Stops. To Araya. Di makalusot. Antiola open 3. And a foul called against Saludsod. Foul away from the ball.
Personal foul. Third free foul. Lumbia.
Baho. Ganda ng depensa ni Luna. Oh. Di tinatantanan ang kalaban. And what a steal by Saludsod! Panahon naman ngayon na siya naman. And yes, sir! Luna steals from behind. Luna not giving up that ball. Caberio to Agonia. Nice cut. Out of bounds. Bola mapupunta pa para sa Barangay Lumbia. Timeout Barangay Dumagok. Uy, Alma Irog-Irog watching from Kahayagan.
Barangay Lumbia, warning for improper base decorum.
Luna to Maghinay. Maghinay. Caberio driving. Outside Andale. 5-second shot clock. 3-pointer is good by Andale. Ayun, may foul called against Caberio. But Andale drains the 3-pointer.
First personal foul for G5. Lumbia.
10-point lead, Barangay Dumagok. Baho to number 20. And he is... Oh, wala. Baho. Nice cut! Supalpal! What a block there.
Shot clock 8 seconds to shoot.
Ganda ng supalpal ni Agonia. Basket at may kasamang foul for number 20 of Barangay Dumagok, Duran.
Foul number 11. First personal foul.
Si Kevin Duran. And Duran hits the free throw, completed the 3-point play. Seconds to play for the third quarter. Maghinay, tumira ng 3. Mintes, Batulan with the rebound. And now to Baho. Fires against Andale, in and out. Luna with the rebound. Andale, 3 against 3. Andale, umatake. Basket and a foul by Andale. And misses his first throw. Batulan, muntikan. Muntikan pa na i-shoot sa ring ng kalaban. Anchola missing another 3. Andale with the rebound. Tagal ipinasa kay Agonia. Pero Andale all the way straight from his hands. Tapos ang oras. 61-50. That ends our third quarter. 11-point lead Barangay Dumagok. This time out this quarter mga ka-Asenso is brought to us by Mr. Burger. Daghang salamat Boss Inso sa imong pa-burger. Fourth quarter mga ka-Asenso, 61-50. Dumagok up by 11 points. Duran, Kevin. Oy, shout out kay Bungabong sa Linyensa. Dulap din ninyo ron. Araya, triple team. A nice steal by Andale. Sneaky move from behind. Abtik kay kamot si Andale para makailog. Good timing. Pagtalikod lang. Wala, impas. Anchola. Now to Duran. Tumira ng 3. Mintes. Rebound by Araya. Baho. Fakes. Nice pass sa ilalim. Batulan missed. Stolen by Anchola. Another 3. Supalpal ang inabot kay Luna. And now Andale has the ball. Inabutan ni Luna ang 3-pointer. Maghinay. Corner 3. Short. Luna with a rebound. Andale. Miss again. Batulan with a rebound. Now to Araya. Anchola. Corner 3. Short. Andale with the rebound. Guarded by Duran. Kevin Duran. Maghinay. Attacking the basket and it's good. At unti-unting humahabol ang Barangay Lumbia. 4 straight points. Anchola to Baho. Turns around. Pull-up jumper. Short. Saludsod has the ball. Now to Andale. Balik kay Saludsod. Hesitation. Maghinay. Fakes. Drives. To Saludsod. Heavy traffic. Basket and a foul for Saludsod. Timeout called by Barangay Dumagok. 6-0 run for Barangay Lumbia. And Saludsod able to complete the 3-point play. 7-0 run. Anchola over Duran, guarded by Takuloy. Di makalusot si Duran. Good defense by Takuloy. Stolen by Maghinay. 1 against 2. Maghinay is blocked. Out of bounds. Ball will remain in Barangay Lumbia. Apat na lang. Saludsod. Good move by Saludsod. Good yun to. Yun to foul. Klaro kayo. Dalawa na lang ang hinahabol ng Barangay Lumbia. 9-0 run. Baho against Takuloy. Anchola balik kay Baho. Almost stolen. There's a push there. Ball goes to Barangay Lumbia.
Number 12, Dormis White Fox.
Barangay Dumagok slowly losing their composure here as Barangay Lumbia taking advantage with their 9-0 run. Takuloy to Saludsod. Fakes. drives for the tie. Yes, sir! And Saludsod ties the game at 61 with 6 minutes and 17 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Foul called against Maghinay. Oy, shout out Jamil Marcaban. Shout out from Barangay Dumagong. Baho. Crossover. Outside Anchola. Wing 3. Bang! Anchola hits it. Leads the game with 3 points. Maghinay. Umatake. Yes, sir. Hands in the air. Baho to Anchola ulit. Now to Duran. Nabakante for 3. Mintes too strong. Maghinay with the rebound. 2 against 3. Takuloy. What a pass by Maghinay. Good transition offense for Barangay Lumbia. Lamang na ngayon ng 1 puntos ang Barangay Lumbia. Baho with a crossover. Floater off the glass. Missed. Saludsod wins that rebound. Saludsod, ball strip from behind. Ball will remain in Barangay Lumbia. One-point lead, Lumbia. Steps on the line, Saludsod. Sayang, oh. Pagkakataon na to extend their lead. Charissa May Santiago, shout out ni mo. 64-65, 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Baho stops now to Anchola. Heavily guarded by Maghinay. Steps back. 1 second shot clock and a shot clock violation called against Barangay Dumagok. With a good defense here from Barangay Lumbia. Forcing Barangay Dumagok to commit a turnover. Takuloy to Maghinay. Tumira ng 3. Bang! Maghinay may pakispa sa audience ng Barangay Dumagok. Duran to Baho. To Anchola. Corner 3. Bang! Bumawi naman agad si Anchola para sa Barangay Dumagok. Maghinay, ball strip from his hand. Stolen by Duran. Now to Baho. Anchola, isa pang 3. And Mintes. Rebounded by Takuloy. Now to Saludsod. Umatake on the lane. Yes, sir! Piaok man. Bad pass there by Araya. Lamang na ngayon ang 3 ang Barangay Lumbia. 67-70. What a run by Barangay Lumbia. Piaok matagkadyot. O shoutout niya kay Jay Olangkaya from Santa Lucia. Shoutout po kay Dong John o kay Michelle Manggubat. Michelle Manggubat. (67-70). 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. As Andale passing it to Maghinay. Taking their time. 5-second shot clock. Maghinay long 2. Pero may foul. Foul called Another foul call against Saludsod.
Goal number 8.
Number 10. Agonia di ay.
Personal
Ano
foul.
Saludsod. Araya sa ilalim.
Araya.
One-point lead for Barangay Lumbia. Saludsod, hesitation, driving. Now to Luna, baseline jumper, in and out. Agonia, what a nice box out there and a putback for Agonia. Baho. To Anchola. Fakes, balik kay Baho. Now to Duran, open three. Too strong, tapi ka ng bola. Duran wins the rebound, driving on the baseline. It's in the air! What a play by Duran! Evading Agonia from that block. Now to Andale, umatake si Andale and he is fouled. A shout out kay Ayan Aragon of Barangay Dumalinaw. Dami tayo. Of Dumalinaw.
Personal foul.
Ding Dong Dantes ng Dumalinaw. Shout out kay Jessa Kilario of Cagayan de Oro City. Andale, second throw. And it's good. 2-point lead, Barangay Lumbia. Baho to Anchola, corner three. There's a foul called. Basket, wala. Foul called against Saludsod. Walay basket. Basket will not count. Foul called against Saludsod.
Saludsod for personal foul.
Pang-apat na foul ni Saludsod. Anchola for three. Mintes, Agonia, strong rebound by Agonia. Kato, lisod yung kito ilugon. Andale. Taking their time. Anchola, good anticipation there. Out of bounds, dumagok. Now to Maghinay. Driving side step, runner. Missed. Agonia na naman with the rebound. Heavy traffic. Basket and a foul for Agonia.
Number 11, 5 fouls.
Ayun, 5 fouls for Batulan. And Batulan is out of the game. Uy, upat. Foul out na po itong isa? Uy, upat na lang sila. Upat, 5. Agonia missing that free throw. 4 against 5, mga ka-Asenso. 2 players of Barangay Dumagok is now fouled out. Seconds to play. Anchola heavily guarded. Now to Baho. Drives, crossover, fakes, fires off the glass. Mintes. Araya is there. Agonia wins that rebound. What a hustle there by both teams. 29 seconds left in the fourth quarter.
Ngayong hapon sa tanan ko'y kinita, magtampay dila sa entrance, ngayong kayo ang kanilang online.
Agonia on the line. And nails the first throw. Agonia missing that free throw. Baho to Duran, force 3, missed. Saludsod with the rebound. Pass break. Agonia at inubos na lang ang oras. Congratulations to Barangay Lumbia for hanging and wins this game 71-76. Kudos para sa Barangay Dumagok for giving them a good play, good game. And that's the end of our regulation, mga ka-Asenso. Up next, Barangay Tawagan Sur versus Barangay Liniensa.
This is from Cuba, Mayor Santo, Mayor Santo Asenso.
Kasenso hapon mga kasenso. Welcome back sa itong first ever Mayor sa Kasenso Barangay Kapukaron. Nahuman na yun ang atong second game which was played by Barangay Dumagok versus Barangay Lumbia, and the winner, Barangay Lumbia o karon atong mahinabi o gatuang makauban ang usa ka banggiitang player sa winning team which is ang Barangay Lumbia, si Sir Andale. Sir, may hapon kanimo sir.
May hapon ma'am, may hapon pagrianon. O salamat sa tanang naglantaw diri karon sa Asenso Interbarangay Asenso Mayor Samico Cup.
Wow. Kanang ninggrit pa lang gali si Sir no, pero makita gyud nato nga grabe siya kalipay o grabe ka excited sa ilang pagkadaog karon. Sir, pangutanon tika sir, as a maayo nga player sa inyong barangay, unsa man nga strategy ang gihatag ni coach para imuha kining ma-apply o imo pong ma-apply sa imong ka-team para inyuha kining madala karong dula og kamo ang muwin sa ato ang second game?
Among gibuhat nga strategy no, kuan lang jud kinang una kugi. Sunod kugi, sacrifice o dagan lang jud, especially sa among depensa din teamwork. Then salig sa Ginoo. Ano yung pinaka-importante? Nanaman namang dula.
Wow, mo day yung giswerte si Sir kay salig gid pud sa Ginoo. Sir, congrats ni Manoog sa tibuok team Barangay Lumbia ug mga kasenso. Ilang mughawa og ayo ka makalimot nga mo like, mo follow, mo share sa atong Facebook page Asenso Sport Channel ug sa atong YouTube account Asenso Sport Channel Official. Og si Sir Andale, mo shoutout po daw siya sa iyang ka-team.
Shoutout sa sa Team Lumbia, sa among kagawad si Kati Luna. Salamat kay kagawad sa imong suporta sa mga. Og shoutout sa tanang Jules Basketball. Dahil namin duha kaming karong 14 to 15 sa Lupisaina 16 under. Naat nga suportahan niyo ang Jules Basketball Pagadian. Para to, dagan salamat.
Dagan salamat sir o congratulations. Wala na ganun mga kasenso no. Mobalik na kita, tiod-tiod, o gayaw, jud ka mo kalimot, nga pwede pa kayo ka mo nga mobisita diri sa atong Pagadan City Gym para personal ka mo nga makatanaw, maka-cheer sa ato ang mga ginso kasenso. Fasten your seatbelts, relax, stay tuned, and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Marchan Carpentero, Padayon, Pag-Asenso, Pagadian.